Hello everyone, I'm Antonis Andronikakis, Communications Manager at Reframe Food. Welcome to the second season of our Smart Droplets podcast series. Smart Droplets is a Horizon Europe project aimed at developing a holistic and sustainable crop spraying solution by utilizing AI, robotics and other innovative technologies to help both the environment and the farmers. In this season, we are going over the progress we've made in the project by highlighting each partner's contribution, following also our recent pilot tests in Spain and Lithuania. Today, I have with me Nikos Petkos from our partner AGROMA. Nikos, thank you for being with us. Before we start our conversation, I would ask you to briefly introduce yourself and tell us about your role in the project.
Hello, Adonis. It's a pleasure being on the second series with you again. AGROMA is a partner of the Smart Droplets, and it's a big pleasure and honor of us to participate in that project. AGROMA is a manufacturer of agricultural spraying equipment, especially for plant protection equipment in general. And our role on this is to manufacture the sprayers that will go to the pilots, and they will do the testing and all the integration for these two pilots that we have in Lithuania and in Spain.
So let's start. You previously introduced the concept of the direct injection spraying system. How is the integration of AGROMA's intelligent sprayers within the autonomous tractor progressing in the field pilots?
We had to connect many systems together to work together. Different communications with isobus and different other way of machinery talking together. It was quite challenging, but it was not achievable. It was quite easily finally to achieve it, and we have in both pilots, both machines working with the tractors in very nice way, and we are very happy actually that we succeed on the first trial.
So, what were the key engineering steps to enable the sprayer to operate seamlessly and automatically based on commands from the tractor system? That is the one question. And the other is, were there any challenges in ensuring reliable communication and control in the process?
There were some challenges with the communication, but it was easily achievable at the end. The key engineering features was that we had to work on an isobus base, which is usually more common language for all the systems. The tractor was easily adapting with all the information that was taken from the tractor, and the tractor also was giving information to the sprayer. The communication was perfect regarding speed, geolocation, and etc. There were not any special technological keys that we had to develop, because most of it is part of the communication language, but you have to consider now that we have AI software that is creating maps that need to be downloaded and be processed by the system. And has been proven that it was challenging but not achievable. We made it, and we're very happy with the result also.
Kudos for that. Now let's draw on your expertise. Precision and speed are vital for the direct injection spraying system. How are you validating the system's performance in the field regarding accurate dosing and minimizing delays during chemical changeovers in real time? How did you manage to do it?
We had created prescription maps that they were actually very close to reality, and also prescription maps that they're out of the world, out of real world scenarios. In both cases, we achieved most of the times to have the best accuracy that it was under the demands of the project. We had only small delays when we had extremely change on the target rate, which is absolutely out of this world. Never is going to happen to have more than 100% of change of the dosage. But if we consider that we are between the 40 and 50% big changes, which is still extreme, we managed to cover every target with very high speed and with less than 5% changes on the of the dose.
You seem to have a solution for every problem, Nikos, under your sleeve. Anyway, now let's put the factor of the farmers into the equation of the Smart Droplets. Considering your wide customer base, how do you think farmers will view this significant shift towards automation and AI concerning spraying actions, and what are the most compelling advantages, in your opinion, that farmers will see in the project?
After the first publish of the trials we did on the farms, actually we had a lot of farmers getting interested about the project, which was very happy news for us. The reason that they are all interested is quite simple but complicated at the same time. The farming is more challenging. You need more production with less money, with less spending. And it's also more challenging because of the environmental issues and whatever is happening in general in the farming. A lot of farmers would like to have this autonomous spray system because they want to eliminate the pollution, they want to eliminate the uses of chemical, their contact with the chemical, and also to have a safer environment because in order to save the bees that they are helping for the pollination, yes, they have to spray very early in the morning or very late at night, which makes a full day job for them because they have in the morning to work again. So an autonomous system that would work autonomous at night, take decisions of what needs to be sprayed and work actually for them is a very nice feature for the future farmers.
So we see that the project helps farmers in many ways, but I would like to ask for another parameter concerning labor shortages, because we see that this is quite a big problem during the last year. So, in your opinion, does the spraying solution helps to alleviate also this problem?
It definitely helps because having a shortage of people, sometimes you are forced to take anybody to do the job. And this anybody can be an operator that doesn't have the proper education to use the machinery. With this system, you don't need to have any operator actually. So the system will make its own decisions that is AI generated. So we have probably a shortage of people, of labor, but at the same time you have a solution. Then you can take an uneducated or unskilled person only to maintain the system and maintenance the whole system. So it is also helping on that sector.
I see, Nikos. Now, concerning the sprayer again, how is the sprayer's functionality enhanced by being connected to the wider Smart Droplets ecosystem, including the digital twin and AI prediction models?
Yeah, every sprayer which doesn't have the digital twins or the AI assistance is a smart sprayer, but up to a level. We could consider it now that is a blind sprayer. With this empowering and enhance of digital twins and AI-generated prescription maps, we make a very clever sprayer actually that can help not even the farmer, the environment also itself, and we get quality products with less chemicals and more environmental friendly. So it is definitely a big achievement and a new technology that is coming very close to us now.
I couldn't agree more to that. Now let's think about the broader image. Looking 5 years ahead, how do you see intelligent spraying systems like this changing the landscape for agricultural machinery manufacturers, for AGROMA and for the industry in general?
I think it's mandatory for everybody to start using new technology. Otherwise, you are just staying on the background with old technology machinery that can just replace some older machinery. You need technology to have more advanced farms. The farmers are getting bigger, the challenges are bigger, so we need technology 100%. As a company being part of this project, we've seen that there is only one way to follow the technology, follow the projects that they generate machinery that is environmentally friendly and user-friendly. So, one way.
I will keep your last word that the only way is to go forward. Farmers need to produce more with less, need to produce quality food, but with a zero or low environmental impact. And this is a job for Smart Droplets,
Absolutely.
right? So it was very nice talking to you. Thank you for giving us a complete idea of the project. And if I may say, if we consider AI and robotics like the head of the solution, the sprayer is the heart of the solution.
Yes, yes. We need the hardware, but we need the software at the same time. They combine together.
So, Nikos, thank you. It was a pleasure to have you here today. And to our audience also, thank you for being with us. If you are interested in smart and sustainable solutions in crop farming, follow our YouTube channel and our social media, or simply find our website on smartdroplets.eu. Stay smart.